Jason, you're supposed to be staying 6 feet. 6 feet away from me, buddy.
Look at that.
I'm sorry, what?
Look at it.
Look at what, the giant bees?
The giant honeycomb.
Oh, you're right, man. Yeah, except for the holes aren't big enough for it. They're not deep enough in the rock.
No, it's where the honeycomb was laid into the rock by the giant bees.
The giant bees?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Let's get closer.
Let's get closer to the wild rock.
Crikey.
Crikey, the wild rock.
Are we lost yet?
I'm lost! Oh man, look at this. Oh, hold on. I think I'm onto something, Jason.
I think you found something.
I think I found something. I think I found something. I wonder what it is. I think I found something. I think it's the rock. I don't know for sure. Yep, that's the rock. Gee, I wonder if that's balanced rock. What do you think, Jason?
Looks fairly balanced to me.
Detective Jason, what is it?
Must be no older than 4 hours old.
4 hours old? Think it was a full-grown adult?
Same as telling him, what the heck? An infant child.
Yeah. They had an infant child.
Gotta start him hiking young, right?
I don't like where this is going. Stop! Stop!
I found our skiing spot.
Did you?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh
There's
God.
all these slippery leaves. We can slide right on the
Slippery slide. That's the new slip and slide, Jason. Didn't you know that's the new trend? You go in the middle of the forest where no one can find you, and then you slide down, Whoa, dude, it's like sand.
It is sand.
Why are we so high up and there's sand? I hate sand. It's coarse, and it gets everywhere.
I don't like sand. It's coarse, rough, and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
Isn't that just grand? Oh, dude, look at these rock formations. Look at this. I think we're on the natural bridge now. Yeah, I can imagine a lot of people being on this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I understand what he was talking about. Is this what we call Fat Man's Gap? Oh, man. All right, here we go. Adventure by myself. Yup. Ooh, it's slushy water. That just sounds lovely. Y'all wanted some ASMR? Okay. Oh God. Okay. It's a pretty cool rock. And I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more. Just to be that man who would be right at your door. Oh, come on.
I don't think those are the lyrics.
You don't think those are the lyrics? Please educate me.
I think it's just be the man who walks 1,000 miles and falls down at your door.
And then what else? How's it go? Does it go Dalalete?
Yes.
Ah, Dalete. Oh, yep. I don't know where I'm going, so. Oh, here we go. This will be a perfect Assassin's Creed spot. What do you think, Jason?
If you want to be like that guy in the first game who breaks his leg,
Yeah.
you could break a little more than that.
Oh, dude, that's that rock's placement. That rock placement's cool. Oh, there's Nacho Bridge on the other side.
Look at those suckers. View from here is way better.
I know, look at them losers all the way on the other side. I can't even see them.
Of course, I get the fog is clear up a bit.
I know, right? Fine, this time you lead the way. Ah,
Braving the jungle.
are you?
In search of El Dorado.
In search of El Dorado.
On trailblaze.
On the trip.
That trail that we blaze!
Please.
Oh, hello there.
And I see you the river.
Ah, the river. The Red River.
Red River? I hardly know her. Go down this way.
Yes, that way. There's absolutely the right path. You're a great man here. All right, I'll see you later, Jason.
If you were blind, I would so lead you down.
Excuse me?
What?
What was that?
Nothing.
Yeah, okay. Come on, let's go El Dorado. Onward to victory. Oh, found it. Stop. There's two.
Oh, there's two?
There's two, yeah. There's two outlooks. Oh, there's that too. You wanna go over there?
You mean aside from that one, there's two?
Oh shit, look at that.
Now that is a nice lookout spot. We should go there.
Yeah, we should go totally go there. Do 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 do. Don't come over here. Oh boy. Ow! Branch just struck me on the side.
I don't think it struck you, I think you struck the branch.
Oh, the branch is evil.
My point, you the Jedi.
Then you are lost! Oh my gosh. Becky! Jason, you get a better view of the rock from over here. Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself.
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, apparently in Minnesota, you can kill someone unintentionally and it'd be third-degree murder. We don't have that in Ohio.
Excuse me?
NANI?!
No, we're not doing this. You're coming with me, buddy.
What?
No kidding. Oh yeah. Woo! I don't like this one bit. Jason, I don't like this at all, man. Whew. Nope, nope, nope.
Well, why don't I hold that for you?
Whew. I don't like doing this. Oh, it's so scary. Just point at me. It says a scary cat.
Okay.
Point at me because I'm like.
After I get down.
Oh, I have a fear right now that's irrational. Oh, good Lord.
I too have an irrational fear of slipping down steep slopes and falling to your death.
I'm using 2 hands at all times. Oh boy. The road less traveled, sir. Oh, dude, that's freaking sweet. Why? Okay, I'm moving. Find anything interesting in there? It's your new hidey hole. What we found here is a wild Jason and in his own natural habitat, hibernating for the summer, apparently. If we did the slightest movement, he woke up. He's on the attack. Everybody, run for the hills! Run! Hey, I'm coming down, boy. Hey, screw you! I'm coming down.
You're lucky you're not back on that foot.
Shoot. We're on a mission.